If you want to center text in GIMP quickly and correctly, this tutorial will walk you through the easiest method using the alignment tool. Whether you're making a thumbnail, a banner, a graphic, or any kind of design, learning how to center text in GIMP can save you a lot of time and help your layout look clean and professional. And if this video helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more easy software tutorials just like this. First, open your project in GIMP and make sure your text is already created on the canvas. Then go over to the Layers panel and click the text layer so GIMP knows exactly which object you want to move. This is an important step because if the wrong layer is selected, the alignment won't work the way you expect. Next, activate the alignment tool by pressing Q on your keyboard. You can also find it in the toolbox if you prefer clicking manually, but the shortcut is the fastest way to get started. Once the tool is active, click directly on your text object in the canvas. That tells GIMP which item you want to align. If your text doesn't seem selected properly, just click it again until you see that it is ready to be positioned. Now move over to the Tool Options panel and look for the Relative To setting. For the best result, set this to First Item or Image, depending on how you want the text centered. If you are centering the text within the entire canvas, Image is usually the best choice. If you are aligning multiple items together, First Item can be useful. After that, use the alignment buttons to center your text. Click the Align Center of Target button to center it vertically, and click the Align Middle of Target button to center it horizontally. These two buttons work together to place the text right in the middle of the area you're working with. If you want the text perfectly centered on the full canvas, these are the exact controls you need. Once you click them, your text should jump into place and sit neatly in the center of your design. If it looks slightly off, double check that the correct text layer is selected and that the Relative To setting is set properly. Small settings like that can make a big difference in GIMP. After that, you can make any final adjustments to size, font, or position if needed. And that's really all there is to it. Using the alignment tool is the simplest way to center text in GIMP without guesswork. If this tutorial helped you, please give the video a like and subscribe to the channel for more beginner-friendly editing tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.